Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? And welcome back to Old Man. We're at the Cosori air fryer, toaster, roaster, oven. And folks, one of the things I've been, a lot of, can you do pizza in this? Can you do pizza? We did a frozen pizza in there, but I've also had questions about, hey, can you do a real pizza in there? And I don't have the time, nor do I have the talent to roll out dough or everything, but I've got a take and bake pizza. Should we take a look at that? So this is a take and bake pizza. Then there's a franchise, and it's not countrywide. It's called Papa Murphy's, and these things are just awesome. And you bake it on this little cardboard tray that comes with it. So we're going to preheat the Cosori. We're going to use not the air fryer option. We're going to use the oven option and put it on 350. Preheat, and then we're going to put this on and see how it does. All right, I've talked about this before, but one of the nice options on this Cosori is this preheat mode. So when you set it to 350 and you press the start button, it blinks and it goes into automatic preheat mode. Now you can override that by just pressing the button and then it's on. So, and then the timer starts. So we'll go back to preheating and then get that pizza on. All right, just put the pizza on. Directions for the pizza says 12 to 18 minutes at 350. We'll see what happens. All right, that's right around 12 minutes there. You can see cooking up real nice. Give you a couple more look-sees. All right, a little over 16 minutes. I did take it from that rack and put it on the lower rack because the top was cooking more than the bottom was. I want to even things out, so I want to get them closer to those bottom heating elements. Hopefully that'll help. We'll give you a look-see once it's out. Oh man, look at that. You talk about golden brown, that's kind of the definition of golden brown, isn't it? I mean, I'm kind of amazed by that. Got a little bit of a crunch here. I don't think it's super crispy, but it sure sounds like it's definitely done. It's not burned. So let's take a look. One of them stands up pretty nice. Backside is, hang on. I'll show you here. So it's golden brown on the backside too. So that turned out pretty awesome. And that Cosori original air fryer toaster roaster oven thing works fantastic for take and bake pizza, folks. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, I really do appreciate you watching. Thank you.